this is kind of where we're at. This is going to shake the market, and then we have to see what happens, because then the market could bounce. It still doesn't tie into my BTCD idea, so I don't know when this is going to happen. And you see BTC dominance has been going up a little bit, but it's still stuck here, really, isn't it? It's still not doing what I want it to do, which is to go up. And obviously the price action that we're experiencing now is not enough to make BTCD go up. So something needs to happen now. Yeah, we know that something needs to happen, because BTC dominance needs to go up. Yeah, that's what needs to happen. And it's either one of two things: we go down or we go up. Like, literally, that's really, it's hard. I mean, it's easier said than done. And when I mean down, I don't mean down here and then up here. I actually mean like this. We need to scare the shit out of crypto. So this would have to go down for BTC dominance to go up. Or BTC really has to go up, whatever, and break and start going up. So these are the two situations which I think is going to push BTC dominance up. We're going to have to push up all-time highs, start pumping to the moon, start going to new levels, or we need to lose the point of control, which is start free falling. Yeah, and that's going to send a little bit of a shake out to the rest of the market, and then the value is going to come into Bitcoin dominance, and then that's what I want to see, because then we'll see Bitcoin dominance finally come in, hopefully, to its final resting place, which is here. From where we are now, that's about a 6% increase, and then obviously that would require ETH BTC to drop. Look at the ETH BTC, it's ready to drop her. You can see it, no? You can see ETH BTC is ready to give up the ghost. It's already rejecting from this weekly level, and it tried to get above this kind of higher time frame trend line, this yellow line, and it looks like it's failing. See that? It looks like it. There's a little bit of support here, so the price could just come there and find support, but if you start closing lower, then you're going down. So 60k would do it, absolutely, Gary. So it looks as though we're trying to go down. That's what it looks like. Slurf leads, as always. We know that Slurf is doing a good job in giving us a little bit of a heads up on the state of crypto. And I think the strategy here, obviously you would never short here. This is literally the worst place to short, simply because Bitcoin is into support and it's still holding support. Okay, so you could never short here. You'd be looking for longs, or you're looking for lower. Yeah, you would be looking for longs here. You wouldn't be looking for shorts. Okay, but it's hard, because when is a good time, when is a safe time to long? Every time I look, someone will ask, every time I long, the price goes down, what do I do? You know, every time you long, price goes down, long, price goes down. What do you do? Well, you have to have a wider invalidation. That's really the solution here. And the hard thing is to know where to have an invalidation. Wider invalidations means you have small positions, and therefore people don't feel like they're making enough money. But at the moment it's holding support. Even right now, you see it's holding support. We have potentially come back, lost it, come back onto it, potentially. And we've taken the liquidity here. Okay. So I think this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking Was there a liquidation on that drop earlier on? No. When's the last liquidation we had? Let me have a look. We haven't really had a major liquidation recently, have we? There. Those are our big liquidations. Then we had some liquidations up there. Price went up still and came back down. I'm just thinking to myself, I want to see liquidations now. That's gonna, like, right now I can't decide, because the market is still kind of, it's going down slightly, but there's no like real confirmation. And obviously the bearish div on the local, like on the higher time frame, you're getting bullish div. So this is the 4-hour chart, 4-hour candles, and you can see you're getting lower CVD, higher prices. There's massive bullish absorption in this upper part, in this upper range. You can clearly see it. Lower CVD, lower CVD, lower CVD, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Okay, so what that means is there's been a lot of selling, and that all of that selling has been absorbed, and you can see that in the charts. But this is over a period of a few weeks, a couple of weeks. Okay, and right now on the local time frame, well, look, that's bullish, David. Look at that. See, it was bearish and then it became bullish all of a sudden. This is bullish. Look at that drop in CVD. So what is that drop? That's a short. Look at that short. A massive short just entered, and he's immediately underwater. The price has been absorbed. Look at that. Plus 3.3 million increasing OI. All of these imbalances. Look, 2.3 million right at the bottom of that wick. So someone's already trapped. That's quite bullish. And look, see, some longs are coming in right now. And some shorts are closing too. That's actually really bullish. Now that's suddenly gone. We see you just flip from bearish to bullish in the CVD, just because a massive market short has been absorbed. That's quite good to see. You could probably just long that. Probably just long that. Trap that. The question is, where do you long, Bitcoin or Slurf? I'm going to long on Slurf. I took a very small long earlier on, and I'm up in profit slightly. So actually, I'm not feeling crazy bearish right now, to be honest with you. Look at that. I like it when some big whales are absorbing the price like that. It gives me confidence. So let's just go with the idea that we're holding support, right? Maybe this was enough. Just that, maybe this last liquidity grab was enough for now. And maybe as long as we don't make another low. So this is we don't really want to go down again. How many times do you have to take the liquidity before the price comes back up? Maybe that's the low. Maybe it's in. And maybe now we're looking to push up. And the good thing about longing here is at least you have an invalidation. We've clearly got an invalidation because we just don't want to make another low. This pivot here needs to hold. And so at least we know when we're wrong. And what I think, and so then we have to see, where did it go? That one, isn't it? So maybe up to the daily level would be a good place to see if the price can get there. Don't know. And then this E is the last one. I don't know what's going to happen to that. If this is an ABCDE, and if it's not, then it's something else. Like this is just one idea. It could be. This is, you know, there's an infinite kind of variations of what this could be. Could just be lots of ABCs. I'm just making my life a little bit easier just by doing this. But I did have, and then the other thing is, was this the one? You know, I've talked about this. A, B, C, D, E. We have a 5 ABCDE correction, 1 2 3 4 5 ABC. It could be, we could potentially still be correcting, and that's what I've always said that. And if we do get another wave,